action cameras. If you don't use one of these, click away now. Go outside, climb a tree, read a book. But if you do have an action camera and you were thinking of selling it to upgrade or giving it to a friend because we all want to be that guy, or you just can't seem to get your settings right and your footage just never seems to be looking good from this little waterproof camera. If you got a new camera and you're going to sell your old or unused action camera, or if you just want to restart on your camera settings, you'll want to reset it back to its factory settings. We're going to start with the Action 3. First, we're going to power on the camera. Then just swipe down from the top, go to the settings, and then just go all the way down to the bottom, and then right here we have factory reset. And then just tap on that and hit confirm that you want to reset your camera. This will completely go back to the original settings of like when you got a brand new camera. So then you can just confirm that there and it will restart the camera and you'll be back to your factory settings. Then you can just turn it back off, pack it up, and you're good to go. On the GoPro, it's going to be the same. You're going to swipe down from the top, then you're going to swipe over to get to your preferences, then go all the way down to your factory reset, hit that, then your camera should restart the factory settings. On the Action 2, go ahead and power that on. You can do this on the front screen or the rear screen. Gonna do the same thing, go to your settings, scroll all the way down, and right here, factory reset. Then the same thing there, again, you'll just want to confirm that you want to reset. Then the camera's gonna restart, then just power the camera back off, and you're good to go. Then on the Osmo Action 1, we're going to go to the settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, you have your factory reset, and then you can confirm it here. So if you had any settings in here, whatever frame rates, whatever color, profiles, whatever settings you had on this camera, everything's going to be reset. I hope this video helped you out whether you are getting a new camera and selling your old one, or if you just need a fresh restart on the one you already have. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next video.